I went to the doctors and I had a test and it came back negative. So when my cousin got her her test back being positive, so me and partner had to go back and get tested. So then, but at the same time, I was already coming down with fever, coughing, headaches, body aches, and everything. Yeah. So me and my partner already spoke about it, go get tested, and then got our tested back positive, and then and then we went from there. But at the same time, I was calling my doctor, my GP, who, because I was struggling to breathe, and then my doctor put me on the inhaler, and I've never been on inhaler before. And I was on the antibiotics. So I had to ring her twice because none of that wasn't working. And then she referred me to the hospital. And then the hospital had to get the stuff ready for me because I was pregnant, my doctor was worried that I might come down with pneumonia.